Welcome back to my channel. Right now I want to show you how to check on Paimon Moe in Android. Step 1. You need to this application. The first application is Shizuku. The second is Iscan. These two applications you can download Shizuku on Play Store and Iscan on the link description below. And the third step, don't forget to connect it on wireless network or hotspot something. Yeah, don't forget it. Okay, are you ready? Let's go up in the Shizuku. Click Start, Developer option. And then once the begin, switch on. Connect the wireless network and back to Shizuku again. Wait for the service is running. Okay, the Shizuku is running. Let's go to the second application. Open the scan and click Start Pairing. And go to wireless debugging again. Click pair device with pairing code. Enter the data here. Put the code and click connect. After pairing success, open the scan again and click connect. If and put the part code if you need. After the scan connected, open the game Genshin Impact. Okay, waiting is boring. Okay, finally Genshin Impact is open. Let's go to wish banner and then click the history. If Iscan successful, back to Iscan again and copy the link and go to Paimon Moe and paste text here and then click import
with the process.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 Bring that beat back.
And here, the wish result of your Genshin Impact. Okay, I think that's enough of this help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.